Let's start with a new chapter, Fabric Around Us. We are going to cover a few definitions. Fibers, they are the basic building blocks of fabrics. Textile products are fibers, yarns and fabrics. Finishing, the process which improves the fabric appearance and make it more lustrous and improves its touch. What is the classification of textile fiber? First, on the basis of length, there are staple fibers. They are of half inch to 5 inch in length. They are short lengthed, example cotton and wool. Filament, their size is 5 inch to and it goes to few kilometers. Long length, example silk and nylon. On the basis of their origin, cellulosic fibers, seed, hair, example cotton, bast fibers, example flax, leaf fibers, pineapple, nut husk fiber, coir, coconut, protein fibers, animal hair like wool, animal secretion like silk is there, mineral fibers, asbestos, natural fiber, rubber. Man-made fibers or manufactured fibers. The first man-made fiber was rayon, which was made in 1895. This consists of regenerated fibers, example rayon, modified cellulose acetate, non-cellulosic synthetic fibers, nylon, rubber, protein fibers, example Aslon, mineral fibers like glass fibers, metallic fibers. Here the raw materials are converted into liquid form, solution is passed through spinneret, filaments get hardened and collected and stretched for further fineness. Now we talk about how a fiber is changed into a yarn. Yarn is a continuous strand of textile fiber suitable for weaving and knitting. Fiber to yarn, the journey goes like this. First, cleaning occurs, removing the impurities, dirt, twigs from the natural fibers, making into slivers. Laps are unrolled and straightened up by carding and combing process. Attenuation, the fibers are converted into continuous strands and converted into required size. What is yarn number? The weight of fiber and the length of yarn drawn from it. This is the indicator of fineness. Yarn twist, fibers transformed into yarn. Twist is added to hold the fiber together. Fabric production, felts and non-woven or bonded fabrics, laying fabrics in the form of mat and then adhesion is caused between them. Weaving consists of two sets of yarn which are interlaced at right angle to each other and they are done into looms. Onset fitted on looms which determine the width of fabric is Vapyan. Second set filling yarns which is interlaced to form the fabric. Salvage. The direction of yarn in woven fabric is called salvage or grain. Vapyans run along lengthwise the grain. Weft yarn are widthwise. Knitting means interlooping of one set of yarns done with the help of needles. Braiding, made by plaiting three or more yarns that originate from single location. Example, shoelace and ropes are made through braiding. Laces, open work fabric with the network of yarns to form intricate designs. Let's talk about the textile finishing. Any treatment on the fabric which can change its appearance is called finishing. Example, scouring or bleaching. This is meant for cleaning purpose. Calendering, tentering for smoothing effect. Starching, when we want to change the texture. Sanfonization, anti-shrinkage, finishing is there. Dyeing, the color is added to the fabric either at the yarn stage or at the fiber stage. Yarn stage, when it is done, it gives us checks and strips. When it is the introduction in fiber stage, there is the introduction of design. Printing is also one of the specialized finishing where specialized form of dyeing it can be is applied on the cloth and it can be done by hand, blocks or stencils. Children, let's compare the properties of cotton, linen and wool. Cotton is a staple fiber. Linen is longer than cotton. Wool is also a staple fiber. In the form of absorbency, cotton is a good moisture absorbent. Linen is also a good moisture absorbent. Wool consists of they can absorb large amount of water as compared to cotton and linen. By nature, cotton is cellulosic, linen is cellulosic and wool is protein. Remember one thing, the future of our nation depends on our ability to produce food and fiber to sustain the world. With this note, I am signing off. Take good care of yourself.